notice. For the following county, Calvert, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for Calvert County in southern Maryland until 3:15 p.m. At 11:20 a.m., Doppler radar indicated moderate to heavy rainfall that has been persistent in Calvert County, especially south of Prince Frederick. If rainfall intensifies, a flash flood warning could be required for the southern portion of the county shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Chesapeake Beach, Prince Frederick, Cuckold Creek, Sheridan Point, Calvert Cliffs, Greenwell State Park, Hallowing Point, St. Leonard Creek, Breezy Point, Flag Harbor, Town Creek, California, Lusby, St. Leonard, Huntingtown, Drum Point, Baden, Long Beach, and Aquasco. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately.